A force is a push or a pull. We can't see a force, but we can see the effects of a force. A force can move a stationary object, stop a moving object, or change its direction. A force can change the speed of an object. It can also change the shape of an object. A force is measured using a force meter. The SI unit of force is Newton. There are two kinds of forces, contact force and non-contact force. When we push or pull an object, we have applied force to the object. The object will move in the direction of the applied force. An applied force is an example of contact force. Friction is also a form of contact force. Friction goes against motion. Even though friction slows things down and makes movement difficult, there are many things we could not do without friction. Friction holds us to the ground and allowing us to walk without slipping. Friction causes the car to brake in time to accidents. The amount of frictional force depends on the texture of surfaces in contact. When the surface is smooth, there is less friction. The force that makes things fall to the ground is called gravity. Gravity is an example of non-contact force. Gravity pulls an object towards the earth. The force of gravity also exists on the moon, but it is not as strong as it is on the earth. When an object rests on a surface, there will always be a reaction force. When we are standing on the earth, the reaction force balances the weight of our body, so we don't fall through the pavement. The reaction is also called normal force. Magnetic force is a non-contact force. Magnetic force only acts on magnetic objects. Iron, steel, and nickel are magnetic materials. The force of magnetic attraction pulls the magnetic object towards the magnet. The interaction of forces makes the world we live in the way it is. A cycle on a bicycle experience the interaction of different forces. Gravity pulls the weight of the bicycle and the rider towards the earth, while an equal reaction force acts upwards to balance gravity. As he rides, the frictional force between wheels of the bicycle and the ground acts against the forward force, so he doesn't go too fast. As a fish swims forward, water resistance acts in the opposite direction. While gravity pulls the fish towards the bottom of the water, the upthrust exerts an upward force that encounters gravity. In level flight, the upward lift applied to the wings of an aeroplane is equal to the downward weight of the plane, while the forward thrust of the propeller is equal to the air frictional drag on the plane.